Now I will discuss another important lean manufacturing tool called Kanban. Kanban is a visual scheduling system used to control production and material flow based on actual demand. It follows a pull system, which means production happens only when it is needed.
The Kanban principle was developed by Taiichi Ono at Toyota Motor Corporation in 1947. The word Kanban comes from Japanese and means visual card. In a Kanban system, every work item is represented by a card on a board. These cards help everyone track the progress of work visually and understand the current status of production. Kanban is a powerful lean tool because it ensures smooth production flow, controlled inventory, on-time delivery, and waste reduction. Before understanding Kanban further, we need to know the difference between a push system and a pull system. First, let's discuss the push system. A push system is a production method where work is produced based on forecasts or planning and then pushed to the next process, whether it is needed or not. In this system, production planning decides the quantity in advance. Each process produces output and sends it to the next process. The next process must accept the output even if it is not ready. The main problems of a push system are excess work in process or WIP, overproduction, bottlenecks, confusion, and high inventory costs. Now let's discuss the pull system. A pull system is a production method where work is produced only when the next process requests it. In this system, the downstream process pulls materials based on actual demand. Production is controlled through signals, which are usually Kanban cards. The benefits of a pull system include low WIP, smooth workflow, reduced lead time, better quality control, and no overproduction. There are three main types of Kanban. The first is production Kanban, which tells what to produce. The second is withdrawal Kanban, which tells what to move. The third is signal Kanban, which triggers production when needed. Now let's talk about the Kanban board. A Kanban board is a visual tool used to implement the Kanban system. It helps us visualize work and ensure that work is moving in the correct direction. A garment Kanban board usually contains a to-do list, work in progress or WIP section, work done list, lot name, and process name. Next is the Kanban card. A Kanban card is a visual tool used to represent a specific work item. It helps visualize work, control WIP, and improve efficiency. A garment Kanban card usually contains the lot name and number of pieces or bundles, card issue date, product name, and style number. Now let's see how Kanban works. First, customer demand comes in. Then the final process pulls the required quantity. The previous process produces only that required amount. Information flows backward through the production process. As a result, inventory is automatically controlled. Now I will explain how to implement Kanban in the garment manufacturing industry. There are 5 important steps. Step 1 is map current workflow. This means understanding the existing production process from beginning to end. Activities include identifying all processes such as cutting, sewing, finishing, and packing. We also find bottlenecks, identify responsible persons, and analyze delays and inefficiencies. Step 2 is visualize your work. This means making work visible through boards, cards, and signals. Common tools include Kanban boards, color-coded cards, and WIP tracking boards. This makes work easier to monitor and control. Step 3 is focus on flow. This is one of the most important principles of Kanban. The goal is to ensure continuous movement of work without waiting, blockage, or interruption. Using a Kanban board, we can observe how work moves from one process to another. This helps maintain a smooth production flow. Step 4 is limit work in progress, also called WIP. In Kanban, a WIP limit sets the maximum amount of work allowed in a process. Limiting WIP helps identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. The benefits include better bottleneck visibility, reduced lead time, improved quality control, and smoother workflow. Step 5 is measure and improve. This is the final step of Kanban implementation. It helps us monitor workflow performance and make continuous improvements. 2 important measurements are cycle time and throughput. Cycle time is the time required to complete one garment. Throughput is the total output produced per day or per line. These measurements help evaluate team performance and identify opportunities for improvement. Another important concept is visual control in Kanban. In garments factories, visual control may include color-coded cards, barcode tags on bundles, and boards showing WIP status. Green means ready to sew. Yellow means in process. Red means delayed or urgent. Finally, let's discuss the benefits of implementing Kanban. Kanban provides better visibility of work. It increases efficiency. It improves team coordination and communication. It reduces unnecessary and non-value-added activities. It improves focus on workflow. It increases productivity. And it creates greater transparency throughout the production process. In conclusion, Kanban is an effective lean manufacturing tool that helps organizations control production based on actual demand. By using visual signals, limiting WIP, and improving workflow, Kanban helps reduce waste, improve productivity, and achieve continuous improvement. Thank you.